Well, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. We had a very difficult year from the point that I saw you last, from when we were washing those trucks and waxing them, getting them ready. It was a good year. We had its challenges, and the challenges were just trying to keep up with the work. Same thing that you guys all go through with weather, labor. We lost one of our guys early on this year. That put a damper on things a little bit, and we had a hard time recovering from it. We hired a few. No one that really fit. We had a hard time finding someone with the work ethic that we expect, that I expect. So that was tough, but it's something I need to learn and something I need to figure out, because this is the cards that I'm dealt. We did everything, just the three of us, which we normally have four. So that makes it a little bit more difficult. And we're all a little aging, we're not young bucks anymore, but we get through it. A few highlights of the year was when we went to GIE Expo in October. I went with a friend of mine, Paul. We had an awesome time there. Met a lot of guys. I usually don't get starstruck. There isn't a celebrity out there that I would like to meet. I'm not impressed. But I have to say, I got really impressed by some of the YouTubers I met there. I spent a lot of time with John Ryan and Doug Wright and Richie Plemons. Got to meet Brian Ring. Great guys. Really enjoyed meeting them. Very down to earth. A few other guys too. It was just a lot of fun. And I look forward to going back next year. So we're relaunching this YouTube channel. I really didn't have the time, nor the energy, nor the resources to put into the channel this past season, because we were all hands on deck. My mind was on the business. I spent a little bit of time on Instagram. Instagram's kind of fun. Discovered that this year for the first time. Enjoyed that. I enjoy taking pictures. I enjoy sharing the work we do, and I love looking at pictures of everyone else. I love seeing what everyone else is doing. It's motivating to me. It's inspirational to me. So I'll continue doing that. And as for the YouTube and seeing where that goes, we'll see. I'd like it to be a place where I can share the knowledge and the wisdom that I've gained through my life in the business. I've been in this probably way too long, but it's my passion and my job. So I want to do it as long as I can. As long as this body will help me do it, I will do it. And I want to teach as many guys and pass on some of that knowledge that I've gained through the years. It mostly will be field knowledge. Business knowledge is one thing. Everybody has their own business. I can't tell anybody how to run a business. My business is fairly small. We did have it big at one point, but mine is fairly small. So there are some things I can pass on. Pricing, that's subject to area demographics. Who are you looking for? But field knowledge, plant knowledge, production, I love tools. I love tools, I love equipment, I love trucks, I love building trucks. So any way I could help there, you bet I will. So I look forward to getting started again on this, guys. Hopefully people are out there to watch. If you want to, press that like button, subscribe, comment, please comment. I forget what YouTuber I watched the other day said that commenting is like oxygen, and I really never saw it that way, because I usually watch my YouTube on a TV and I can't comment or like very easily, but I will now, and I think that's very important. So we'll be seeing you this winter and through the season next year. Hopefully we can pass some things on. I hope you stick around. We'll see you later.